Alright, so we are on the last and final day of Roofy. Very little minute things that has to be done to this trailer.
Alright, well, we got these things cut in. Luckily, I had some spare laying around. These are highly important for your roof. One, it kind of domes it out and gets it to go down. But the metal laying on metal is never good because it sounds all crazy like that. Sorry for your ears. But now, once these are installed and locked in, much quieter. Bueno.
We're doing a triple axle service, cleaning the brakes, cleaning the hubs, inspecting everything, making sure it's good to go. Right now we are cleaning one of the drums, about to repack the bearings, all new bearings because the old ones were bad. Put it all back together.
About to take some mana spawn and seal this roof.
Alright, things are moving along pretty good. We did go through and we painted everything on the inside with the one and only good old Rust-Oleum. Alright, we got the roof cutouts done. Isaac's going to grab the AC unit and get it on top. And we'll go ahead and start installing the bracing on the inside for the assembly unit. And this thing's going to have AC again, which is going to be great because it's so hot. Whoever says patience is a virtue has obviously never worked on a deadline. Ta-da! So, this is our floor liner specialist. His name is Ian. He knows it all. Highly informative. He's trying to figure out how to open the can. But we're going to break stuff and then put some Herculiner down.
What do you all call him?
3/4.
Exactly, right there.
You make a good housewife. You know that?
We still have to blow it out.
I'm just saying, look, if you blow that out, that's a lot of stuff flying through the air when you could have just picked up the piece of metal and swept around it.
sir, we don't use that logic around here. Bro.
Whoa, Ian, one job. One job.
Three quarter Ian.
How many screws are in here? Like 3?
If so, I found one, which would put you at 3/4.
Thug life. Oh, you about got one too. Going about fixing the door due to water intrusion. We had some wood rotting out from the bottom, so usually we just go about rebuilding them at that point.
Got to figure out the solutions to the problems. It's an old trailer, so it's got old problems. It's done a lot of wobbling in its day. That door's probably been opened and closed thousands of times. And if it was a race trailer, it's probably been angrily slammed about a quarter of them times, I would imagine.
It has been a long day. We got a lot done. We got the walls painted. We got the AC installed. We got a lot of the electrical done. We were really hoping to try to knock this out today. Absolutely is not going to happen. We got side quested multiple times. So we got one more run and we'll go ahead and do our punch out list. And I think we're going to do some change ups. So coming in the next one when upgrades become downgrades. We'll see you then.